Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and you can see it is the Ipsy icon box, and it is for the May box. So if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy slash Boxycharm icon box, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Can I ask you something? Are you wasting my time?
Okay, let us dive into here. Let us dive. So it looks like the Ipsy icon box, it's the box by Anastasia or ABH, you know, the owner of ABH. So yeah, I hate that they don't give the prices and then I have to go look for it, which is annoying. So okay, so let us jump into the product. The first product we have is from Skinning, and it's a supplement bar, and is the Body Scrub Fit Serum, which looks like so. I don't know, I don't really use like a lot of body serums, which maybe I should, because you know I am getting, you know, older, so maybe I need to use stuff like this. So let's see, let's do on the arm. Oh, this feels good. But these things are not, you know, stuff you can say like, oh my god, it works, you know. Usually it takes at least 30 days for you to start seeing some kind of progress. So this was product number 1. Product number 2 is from, there's all this it's all this trash in there, and it is, what is this called? It is the Redo It Boost, which looks like so. So I think this, like, you're gonna put your product on your face and then you like, it feels good though. Okay, so let's put a little see me testing this. So we put a little moisturizer on. And then you just like vibrate it in, I guess.
Just like
I guess this is supposed to kind of like amplify your product. I don't know, no. I'm just saying whatever. It feels good. It feels good. Like, this is like really cool. So I don't know. We will see how I feel about this. Let's jump into product number 3. Not that I take like 10 years to do this. Product number 3 is from Truly, and it is the Vegan Collagen Booster. It's an anti-aging face serum for tighter, younger, plump skin. Ooh. Like how I'm just putting all this product on my face. I guess you can use that little, you know, boost to, you know, boost it up. We need to move faster. The other product we have is from Too Faced, and it is an eyeliner. It is an eyeliner, and just a black eyeliner, nothing special. Looks like so. The other product we have is from, it's from ABH, and it is a concealer. I actually have that concealer, but this is just a darker shade. So I can use it to like spot conceal and stuff like that. So this is perfect for that, but I already have it in this shade. So yeah, so the other product is from Golden Eye Brightener. So it's an eye serum, and it is from Volution. So let us put a little, I don't know, it's not coming up. So this is not even working, so that is a dud. I maybe have to like keep pressing on it, so we'll see. The other product is from ABH, I guess because it's her box. This is her icon box. It's a satin lipstick, and this is in shade rose brown. It looks like this. This feels real nice. I like the component. I don't know if I like the shade though, but it looks like so. Oh, it's a nude, nice nude. So we'll be using this. And last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. When I get eyeshadow palettes, I'm so excited because I usually don't get an eyeshadow palette. So this is from ABH, and it is the Primrose palette. This is how it looks. It's like, it has like kind of a textured finish, and she looks like so. So it looks like these are eyeshadows, and then there is I'm guessing that's a bronzer and a blush, but I don't know. We'll see how that actually works. Okay, so these are all the products I got in my box. Let us jump in. We actually have a palette, so let's create a look. Let us create a look. Let us get into it. And then this is a T36 from Makeup Shack. I think I'm gonna go into Deep Berry right here, this shade, and I'm just gonna put this like right here. There's no smell, and then you just buff in the edges. Maybe it has good shadows. And then you just bring it up tight. Just like we're addicts. I kinda like it like that. Okay. Now let us jump into, I'm gonna go into the Claret, which is this one right here. And then this is a 204 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo, and we're just gonna go, this is more to like just kind of blend the edges maybe. Okay, so this is definitely darker than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know, this shade is very powdery. Let's go back into that dark shade. Just gonna, you know, buffing this up a bit, and then back to this. Just remember guys, like sometimes you have to go back and forth to just kind of get, you know, the actual definition that you want. Okay, I think I'm gonna go into Pony maybe. Just like if you ask me something, then what would it be? Let us put some NYX glitter glue, because I don't know how this is gonna perform. And I'm just gonna put it on my fingertip, and I'm just gonna pass it right here. And then we're gonna take this brush. This is a T48 from Makeup Shack, and I'm thinking Rose Water, which is this shade right here. It's like a champagne shade. No, I'm gonna take this blush. This is a 216, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Primrose. And then we're gonna use that to like blend those together, like right here. Just blend in those shades so they look similar. And then back to this shade right here.
Just like we're addicts, I kinda like it like that.
Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's talk about our Miss Icon box from ABH. Not ABH. I said ABH because it's what it is. Here I already have all my prices written down. So I think I paid like $60 plus tax, so it's like $64.90 something. So $65 for the box. The first item, it was the ABH palette. I love that palette. Very neutral, not neutral, but you can do some nice, you know, cute little looks with it. And that was $55. The other product is the concealer. I use that concealer. I love that concealer. Yeah, I have nothing else to say about the concealer, and it's $29. The other product was that Redo It. You know, you put your product and you kind of massage it into the skin to give you that extra boost that your product needs. I don't know, I think I'm gonna use that a couple of times and see if I really like it or not. And that was $1.99 plus the skin ink, like the serum for the skin, and that was from Skinning, and that was $32.50. The other product we have is from Truly, and it is the face serum. Again, all these products I really just have to like test them out and see if they're gonna work, if they're not gonna work, and we will see. And that was $36.90. Then we're jumping into the eye product, or the eye cream, or the eye serum. I couldn't even get it to work, so we will see about that, if I can pump it, because I do the pump and it did not work, so we will see. And that is $40. Let's jump into the ABH lipstick. So this is it just feels like a regular like bullet lipstick, like nothing crazy, just regular, and it's definitely gonna transfer and be all over the place. So yeah, and that was $23. And last but not least, we have the Too Faced pencil. I love that pencil. I use it to do like my waterline for my lashes and like both my waterline, and it looks really good, so I like that. And that was $23. So my total box is $438.40. That's how much all the products add up. I feel, see, and that's why I'm kind of on the edge with my whole ABH thing, because 1 month the bus, not ABH, I keep saying ABH with Boxycharm / Ipsy, like 1 month I get a good box, and then another month I get like a real crappy box, and it's very difficult to be like, I'm like, okay, maybe I gotta cancel, and then I'm like, look at this box, right? Like, yeah, there was skincare, but a lot of it was products that I could use. I could use the concealer, the pencil, the lipstick, the palette, and for the palette I could use it for a blush as well. So yeah, so it's kind of like I'm kind of on the fence with that, so we'll keep trying them and we'll keep seeing, right? So yeah, so that's it guys for this Boxycharm / Ipsy unboxing for May, the icon box. You know, if you want to keep seeing what products I get in my Boxycharm boxes, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Well, I don't know if that was a good closing, but let's do it again, right, honey bunny? Yeah, so that's it guys for this, you know, unboxing. You know, again, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.